Hey, welcome to my channel. I am going to tell you about verb and its types. First of all, you will also learn about verb, what is verb, and how we use in a tense. And I explained these types. There are mainly two types of verbs. The first one is transitive and the other is intransitive verb. In the definition, verb is a word that explains an action as we use in our daily life. For example, I run, I sleep, I eat. That are all action words that we use in our daily life. These are a simple tense. For example, cry and punch is an example of verb. In a definition, a verb is a word that explain that express an action or state of mind are called verb. There are mainly two types. Types of verb. The first is transitive verb. Transitive verb that takes an object, an action that have a direct object to receive an object. These are called transitive verb. The example of transitive verb is he writes a letter. Writes is a transitive verb and a letter is an object because it indicates in this tense. Writes is a transitive verb. The second one is intransitive verb. Intransitive verb that does not take a direct object in a tense. In the definition, you see action that do not have a direct object to receive an action. This is called intransitive verb. For example, we failed. Failed is an intransitive verb because it links with we. And the other example is she sleeps. Sleep is an intransitive verb because it links with indirectly she. She sleeps. Sleeps is intransitive verb and the she is subject. Sleeps is linked with she. This is an example of intransitive verb. But a little difference and a little confusion in our mind because some verbs can be act like a transitive and intransitive. For example, I run. She runs. She runs. Runs is a intransitive verb as links with she. And the other example of transitive verb, she runs a business. One sentence, but we changed in a transitive and intransitive. She runs and she runs a business. I hope you will be well understand in this lecture about verb transitive and intransitive and how we use in a tense. Thanks for watching.